Today we will learn Chinese characters.
鸡
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
鸡鸡一鸡鸡母鸡母鸡母鸡在下蛋，母鸡在下蛋，鸡蛋鸡蛋，你爱吃鸡蛋吗？你爱吃鸡蛋吗？鸡叫鸡叫，清晨我听见鸡叫，清晨我听见鸡叫。
Let's learn how to write this character. The left part of this character means hand, and the right part means bird. Combined together, it means catching a bird with hands. The original meaning of this character is rooster, hen, and chicken meat. In Chinese culture, it is also one of the 12 zodiac animals. The rooster crows early in the morning, symbolizing punctuality, diligence, and the coming of light. Pay attention to this stroke. It should be written with strength. This stroke is the most important. If you write this stroke well, the whole character will look nice. You've all learned it today, haven't you? See you next class.